Hi everyone, so in today's video we are going to cover how we can use the Vertex AI in VS Code, and for that we are going to generate the JSON file using the IAM to access the Vertex AI locally. So first the process we have to done, we have to go on the Vertex AI API and we have to enable it. After the enabling, we have to create a IAM access policy for this, for the Vertex AI. So for that I have to create a new service account. Its name I'm giving demo underscore, and the permission which I'm going to give, that will be Vertex AI user. Yeah, we can add more rules, more permission which we want to use, but right now we only need the Vertex AI user. And yeah, we are done. Now we have to generate a JSON, sorry, key JSON. By that it will give the all the details which project we want to access and all. So here you have to click on the keys, you have to add the create new key JSON, and it will download in your local environment. Now you have to go on the VS Code and paste that thing, and for LLM call I am going to create a Python file, and make sure that before that you are using the you are installing the pip install Google Cloud AI platform. This pip is required to call the Vertex AI. Okay, now I'm writing the code for calling the Vertex AI. So you have to first import the Vertex AI, you have to import the from Vertex AI dot generative models, import generative models. Yeah, for the authentication you have to import the Google dot o to import service account. You have to import the OS cause we are going to load path and all details here. And now you have to define a .env file where we are going to put the project and all related details. So first I'm going to put service, let me make it capital, service account key file is equal to let me paste the path of this file, copy path, and you have to put in the JSON, put in the .env file that particular path. After that you need the project ID. We can also directly call in the Python file itself llm call.py, but for uh, doing the safe practice while not exposing all API, and also we should make sure that we are only putting all the details in the .env file, and we have to put the project ID. So project ID is this project ID. Okay, we can write it with quotes and or without quotes. So with both it works. And after that, location, we what we required model name. Yeah, very important thing. So right now I am using the Gemini 2.5. Let me check here on the Vertex AI. Here itself we can check Vertex AI. We have already enabled that API. So here, yeah, here, and what we have enabled models are this Gemini 2.5 Flash Pro, and yeah. So right now I am going to use the Gemini 2.0 Flash 001. Let me copy from here. Gemini 2.0. You should be very precise while you are putting the model name, because it may also raise error. Now all the details are here which we required in our Python LLM call. Now we have to load sorry guys if some background noise is coming. I'm living in sharing flat, so that may be possible. Some background noise is coming. Service account, let's define the variable key file. Okay, project ID, location, model name. Now we have to, why this is raising the error, yeah, one import from .env. Let me put in the from .env. Yeah. Now we have to authenticate using our file, so we have to do the credentials service account credential from service account file. Yeah. After that I have to service account key file. After that we need the scope. Yeah, it is recommending https://api.com. Yeah, these two details we required, and after that I guess I'm forgetting the bracket. Now we have to initiate the Vertex AI .init and project is equal to project ID, location is equal to location, credentials is equal to credential, and now we have to give the model. So model is generative AI model name, response is equal to model generate content, and I'm giving the prompt as what is the capital, what is the capital of India? Tell me something about it. So that is our prompt, and we can check that if response or test is true, then we have to print our response. Yeah, and let's run this file. I'm just hoping that it will work. llm call.py. Wait. Yeah, and blah, it is working. The capital of India is New Delhi, and here is the idea about it, like historical significance, political center, cultural hub, and all the details. You can ask whatever you want, and we will also continue on further videos, and I will make the videos how we can authenticate Vertex AI with another methods. So we have two methods using the like Google login, and second one is we can use the API key for authenticate that. But in production, if you are using Vertex AI, so it's recommended that you should create a service account. After that, you should authenticate the Vertex AI while using on the VS Code. So that's all in this video. Thank you.